Use the summation notation to write the series. So we have here 1 over 3 times 1 plus 1 over 3 times 2 plus 1 over 3 times 3 plus 1 over 3 times 4 plus, and then you see 3 dots, and then plus 1 over 3 times 8. So we want to write a summation for the series that's noted here. So first things first, what we have to do is first determine if this series is finite or infinite. And this series is finite because one, it stops at a certain number, at a certain term, and the term here is 8, if you notice. And then once we identify that as finite, if it was infinite, then this would have it would have ended. Let me cover this up. It would have ended with 3 dots. That means it would have been an infinite series, but it doesn't end there. It ends at 1 over 3 times 8. So notice that we have 8 terms. The first term, second term, third term, fourth terms, anything between. We have a total of 8 terms. So what we're going to do is identify the number of terms, and the number of terms we have, we're going to call n. That's 8. And then notice that the numerator of every term does not change. The numerator is 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. Okay. Since the numerator does not change, it will always be 1 in the general term a sub I. But the denominator of every term changes. If you notice that. 3 times 1, 3 times 2, 3 times 3, 3 times 4. So the fact that the denominator change means that the index I will need to be used in the denominator for a sub I. So here we have the sum of, okay, we know that the numerator will not change, but our denominator. So that there is a part of each denominator that stays the same, which is the 3, okay? And since the factor of 3 is in every term, it will be the general term a sub I. Now determine how to use I in the denominator. Okay, so since each term is changing, we have the first term being 1, the second term being 2, the third term being 3, and so on. Our next to our 3 is going to be I. So we're saying the sum of 1 over 3I as I goes from 1 to, and where does it end? 8. So this is our summation as we look at this series that we have noted here.